Welcome. Today's lesson is about solving problems using special right triangles. There are two special right triangles as we've learned previously. They're the 45-45-90 triangles and the 30-60-90 triangles. The relationship for the sides we've learned previously, that whatever the length on a 45-45-90, whatever this length is, it's the same as this one. And the hypotenuse is going to be whatever this leg is times the square root of 2. On a 30-60-90, whatever the short leg is, that's the leg opposite the 30-degree angle, whatever that figure is, times 2 is the hypotenuse. And whatever the short leg is times the square root of 3 gives us the long leg. Now, using those relationships, I want to find what x and y are here for this 45-45-90 triangle. I know that these two legs are congruent. I know that whatever this is going to be equal to this times the square root of 2. So, first of all, I know that this and this are congruent. So x is the same as this, so x is 2 times the square root of 2. Y is whatever is going to be x times the square root of 2. X is 2 times the square root of 2. We still have to multiply that times the square root of 2, which gives me 2 times the square root of 4. Square root of 4 is 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. Y here is 4. On the 30-60-90, to find x, well, this is equal to twice whatever this is. So x is equal to this divided by 2. So 18 divided by 2 is 9. That's the short leg. To find the long leg, y, it's whatever the short leg is times the square root of 3. Well, the short leg is 9, so the long leg is 9 times the square root of 3. These are the most simple types of problems using special right triangles. For a little more challenging set of problems, we've got this. We've got this diagram. We're told to find x and y and x and y. So, this is a 45-45-90. That means these two legs are the same. And whatever this is, times the square root of 2, so y times the square root of 2 is equal to this. I move that down here. Y times the square root of 2 is equal to this. I'm looking for y. That means I've got to divide by the square root of 2. When I do that, that gives me this. These square roots of 2 cancel, which leaves me, or simplifies to y is equal to 9 times the square root of 3. So this leg is 9 times the square root of 3, which is also this leg. So both legs are 9 times the square root of 3. Now if I look at this 45-45-90 triangle, I'm looking for x. How do I find that? Well, this hypotenuse here is going to be whatever this is times the square root of 2. And this is the same as this. So these two are equal. So I've got this. I need to find x, so I divide by the square root of 2. And I cannot leave a radical in the denominator, so I have to multiply numerator and denominator by the square root of 2. When I do that, I get 9 times the square root of 6 over 4. And that's the value of x. On a 30-60-90, I'm told that this is 9. And I know that the hypotenuse is equal to twice y. That's the short leg. So y, 9 is equal to 2 times y. So y is equal to 9 halves. I know that the long leg, z, is going to be whatever this is times the square root of 3. So y is 9 halves times the square root of 3 is z. There's z. Now, I've got this triangle on the bottom, this 30-60-90. I'm looking for the short leg. I know that z was equal to this, but it's also equal to twice whatever this short leg is. So 2x is equal to this. Twice this is equal to this. So I can say 2 times x is equal to 9 square root of 3 over 2. To find the x, I divide both sides by 2. I simplify, and I find out that x is equal to 9 times the square root of 3 over 4. Please go to Edmodo, lesson 3.42, and do the check for understanding.